Hey guys, Leah Plays here, and we're back with another slime video. Today, I am actually doing the slime backwards challenge, okay? So, let's hope I do this right this time. I'm doing the glue, contact lens solution, and baking soda. So, I would usually put my activator in last. So, here we go, I guess. I'm just gonna say about that much. And then, before that, I would put my... No, not baking soda. I would usually put my glitter. I want to say glitter. Glitter. Okay. So we're going to do red because I haven't used red yet. And red is a pretty color. So I'm going to put some red glitter into contact lens solution. That actually looks really pretty, not going to lie. The contact solution is not moving. Like where the part of the glitter is, it's not moving because the glitter is like literally holding it. Well, life hacks right there. You don't know when I'll come in handy, you know, you never know. Okay, so glitter. Before glitter, I would put paint, or my coloring. So today I feel like, I don't know, what do I have? Actually, I'm gonna use something. I'm actually gonna make it blue. Alrighty, so that's that. Red glitter, contact lens solution, blue paint. Can't believe I'm doing this. Contact lens solution. Baking soda. I guess, what do we do? Mix it, I guess? Oh my gosh, what am I even mixing? I'm not even mixing anything. Okay, let's just... And glue. Let's see if this actually activates. Oh god. Let's... Fingers crossed, cause... Oh my gosh. This is a shocker. Gosh, it didn't work. This actually doesn't surprise me that it didn't work. It's like I'm stirring water. Like, it's literally like I'm stirring water. Oh, I forgot you guys couldn't see it. Got you guys! Y'all probably thought I was stirring water. Stirring water. I couldn't think of something, so that's why it took me a little bit to figure something out. But nope. I'm stirring some slime. It's a very light blue. It smells so bad. I'm gonna have to add some perfume or some scent or something into this, because like I have scent. Let's touch it. OMG. I need to make it backwards more often. Like, bruh. And to think I didn't make that much. Like, I was actually scared to do this. And the fact that it came out like such a pretty blue. And the glitter went perfectly. Guys, I need to make backwards slime a lot more often. I'm going to make a huge batch of this now. A whole bottle of glue. So, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please do leave a like, comment down below, you know, whatever you want to do, comment, hi, you know, whatever. Like, my pet is a dog, something. My pet is a dog. Something. But, if you're new, please do subscribe, share this video with your dogs, pets, family members, uncles, you know, aunties, you know, whatever. And also, slap that bell so that you never miss a video, so that you will always know when I have another exciting video out, because I did not think this was gonna work at all. I thought I was gonna like fail myself with this slime, but nope. Oh, I went too fast with that, but yeah. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video. You know, I already recorded a video in this shirt. That was earlier today. And right now, earlier it was 5:50, I think, and right now it is, I could check the freaking time. You know what? Time doesn't matter right now. I just need to post this video. I just want to post this video because, like, this was so impressive. Like, who would have thought out of everything? Are you cereal? Like, are you cereal with milk? I guess I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.